In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom module in Joomla 4. This process will allow you to add tailored features and content to your Joomla website, enhancing its functionality and appeal. Let's dive right in. First, log into your Joomla administrator panel. Once you're in, navigate to the content section and select site modules. This section is your gateway to all module related activities in Joomla. Now in the top left corner, you'll see a button that says plus new. Go ahead and click on it. This will launch the module creation setup, giving you the option to create a brand new module from scratch. You'll be presented with a few options. Select the custom module choice. This is the most flexible type, allowing you to integrate personalized content and elements into your site. Moving on to the setup fields, the first thing you'll need to do is name your module. In the title field, give your module a descriptive name. For instance, if you're adding a banner to your homepage, you might call it homepage banner. Naming your module clearly helps with organization and ensures you can easily find it later among other modules. Next, let's focus on adding content to your module. Under the content section, you can type directly into the text editor, or if you've got HTML code ready, click on the code icon, which looks like a pair of angle brackets. This area allows you to insert any custom HTML, like banner code or video embeds, making your module more dynamic and interactive. It's crucial to decide where this module will appear on your site, so the next step is to choose a position. This determines the module's location on your web page, such as the sidebar or footer. Make sure to select the most appropriate position that complements your site layout. After setting the position, ensure that the status is set to published. This action will make the module visible to visitors. If you leave it unpublished, it won't show up on your live site. Then there's the access setting. For most modules, choosing public is ideal as it allows every site visitor to see the content. However, if you want to restrict visibility to certain users, you can adjust this setting to your preference. Once you've tackled these basics, head over to the menu assignment tab. Here, you'll customize where your module displays by selecting only on the pages selected. Specifically, pick the pages where you want this module to appear. Common choices include key landing pages like the home page. Finally, after configuring all the necessary options, click Save and Close. This will apply all your settings and return you to the module list. And there you have it, you've successfully created a custom module in Joomla 4. This not only enhances the capabilities of your website, but also provides you with a platform to be creative and precise with how your content is presented. Thank you for watching and enjoy your newly upgraded Joomla site.